Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now, place a lightning rod where you want the strike, and make sure a living entity is standing on the rod block. Once done, secure the mob with a fence or lead. Next, equip a trident with channeling. You need an actual thunderstorm in the world for summons to work. Make sure you're within reasonable range, throw distance and line of sight matter. Do not delay, prepare to throw as soon as the storm is active so timing lines up. You throw the channeling trident at the mob standing on the lightning rod. Aim for a clear body hit, because the enchantment summons lightning at the entity's position when struck. Once the trident connects during a storm, lightning appears instantly. Make sure you're back several blocks to avoid burn or knockback. If miss, retrieve the trident and try again quickly. Storms are time-limited. Remember, channeling does not work on blocks, so hitting the creature is the crucial step that forces the strike. You finish by observing the lightning hit the rod's block. It will conduct the strike and activate any connected redstone or charge nearby copper. If lightning does not occur, make sure a thunderstorm is still active, the trident has channeling, and that you actually hit a living entity on the rod. Misses and non-storm conditions are the usual causes. If problems persist, swap the mob for an armor stand or other target, then retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.